Hello, hi, and welcome back to Jolly Jilly's Crafts. So, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, today is a kind of exciting and kind of not exciting day. Oh, let me introduce myself. I'm Jillian of Jolly Jilly's Crafts. I upload videos every single Tuesday, so please go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment down below if you like the video, so just go ahead and wait and see if you like what I've done. So, you guys saw the kitchen monster. I fixed that bad boy up, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my linen closet because it is like a catastrophe. It's like, I think what I did was I just threw stuff in there and shut it, and it was a miracle that every time it closed. But so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you what I purchased from Dollar Tree. I also did buy some things from Dollarama, but I don't think I remembered to film that portion, sorry guys, but I'll show you. So what I did is I did buy all these really excellent Dollar Tree products, which I'll show you in the video, and then I bought a few things from Dollarama as well, and then I will show you the linen closet, how it looked on the bed, because I'm gonna take everything off the bed. I'm gonna show you how it looks there, and then I'll show you the linen closet when it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead, we'll go into the bedroom, and I'll show you all the stuff that I laid out. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, so this weekend is the big linen closet organization. So I'm just gonna show you what I bought to organize my linen closet. This is all from Dollar Tree. So I bought these baskets. I bought 4 of these baskets. Look how big they are. Like, my whole arm can fit in here, look at that. So big. So what I wanted to do with these is I wanna roll the towels and put them in there. So I have 4 shelves, but I was thinking I could put 2 of these on each shelf, but now that I look at them, I didn't realize they were so big. So maybe not. I haven't quite figured that out yet. So there's the other 3, and here's the one. I just wanted to show you guys like how monstrous this is. This is so big, it can probably fit a lot of your towels. Now, what I think to save space with the towels is to maybe roll them. And then I got these. I got these for my kitchen too. I really love them. They're a really good size. On the top shelf in my linen closet, there's basically like cleaning supplies, body washes, all that kind of stuff. So I got 3 for the top shelf and 3 for the bottom shelf for like miscellaneous stuff. And then I'm thinking on the shelves, there's these baskets here. They're really cute. They're kind of made of rubber almost, and I can put stuff in them as well. And I'm thinking if I can only fit one of these white baskets on the shelf, then I can fit this one beside it and put like, what do you call it? Face cloths, or like tea towels, or those small towels that you have, because this is going to be for big towels. Also, I purchased these vacuum storage bags. And you just vacuum. Look at this. I'm going to show you. This is the before. And then they show you that. And then you just put it all in there and you vacuum seal it. And I was thinking we have a lot of sets of sheets. So I was thinking so I could just put sheets in there and vacuum seal it. And then again use one of these to put them in. Now, I know maybe a square basket might have been a better idea, but I really like the circle baskets. And I think it allows for stuff to go around. So this weekend is the big weekend that I'm going to reorganize my linen closet, because it is a linen closet monster, just like we had a kitchen monster. So I'm gonna pause the video, and then I will bring you to the linen closet so you can see that I'm not exaggerating. It is in fact a monster. So here is the linen closet. It doesn't look like a monster until you open it. And then you're like, ah! See? It doesn't look very organized. There's too many sheets and too many towels all over everywhere. Christmas napkins, Christmas towels, bounce sheets, cleaning products. This is going to be a project, but that's what's for the weekend. So on Saturday, that is what I'm going to do. And then I will show you guys. So this is the before. And then I'll show you when I take everything out, the big messy dirty pile, and then I will show you when it's done. So I did buy 6 of the black baskets, 4 of the red baskets, and then I bought 4 of the white baskets. So we shall see how I'm able to organize it, and you will see as well. Okay guys, so welcome back. Here is the emptied linen closet all on my bed. Oof. Scary, scary, scary. Ah! So we'll see. I'm probably going to go through things, get rid of some things, keep some things, decide what I want to do with a lot of stuff, and just to really pare it down so everything will fit nicely back into the linen closet. Okay, boys and girls, here is the now empty linen closet. We had so much stuff in there, I don't even know how it all fit. I think I just like shoved and closed my eyes and prayed for the best when I closed the door. But here is the clean slate. So the next time you see this space, it will be organized and lovely and beautiful, and you've already seen all the stuff that we took out of there. So the next time you see this, it will be a beautifully updated and cleaned space. Okay guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. I'm gonna just, there's the top shelf where I put the cleaning supplies, toothbrushes, and toothpaste. I put, what did I put there? I put hair and lotion. Behind that is just extra like soaps, body washes and things that I put in there. Coming down to this level, I'm gonna scroll, zoom out a bit. This is towels. So over here, there's the basket, there's that red basket, and I put bounce sheets, and I put a little label that says towels, and then there's another extra cup in case the one in the bathroom breaks. And then here we have sheets. So what I did for these was, here, let me just pull it out a bit. All of the extra sets of sheets, I got these really great like basically giant Ziploc bags, and I put the sheet sets in, and then I took out the air and I put them in this little basket so it fits nicely. And then there's the pillowcases, so towels, see, pardon me, sheets, that's the sheets, not towels. And then at the bottom here, what I did is I have Christmas, I have what do you call this, shower curtains and tablecloths. And at the back there that you can't really see too well is basically extension cords, and then here's like hair products, so hair curler, hair straightener, that kind of thing. What here, so I'll just go ahead and give you the view all the way down so you can see it. I also had let's see here, I also had different, I had, what do you call it, face cloths and tea towels, but I didn't see how it's pretty full. I didn't really have the room for it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I did with those. Now this is the stuff that I got from Dollarama. So this basket up here is from Dollarama. That's holding all the tea towels. And then that basket there is also from Dollarama, and it has the face cloths. I also got this really cute light here from Dollarama for $4. Eesh, I know it's so expensive. And then I got these little, the little plants and the little glass terrarium holder, I guess, I got from Dollarama as well. So let me see if I can zoom you back any further. So I wasn't using this wall here in my bathroom for anything. So I thought it would be really good for extra storage, just because I want to keep everything more tidy and orderly. I didn't label it, but I can see what's in there. So I think that would go well. So there's what I did with the linen closet. I split it up into two, a little bit in the bathroom, a little bit in the linen closet. So that is, I'm gonna go ahead and show you one last time what it looks like over at the linen closet. All right, so, and I'm thinking of putting an extra shelf above at the top as well, just to do that, but here's what it looks like. It was quite the dirty monster, but now it's very organized and you can see everything that you need to see. And there's even extra space, which is really, really nice. So I think my next weekend is a long weekend. It's such a crazy weekend. It's Valentine's Day, it's Chinese New Year, and also it is Family Day weekend. So it's a 4-day weekend. So I'm gonna try and organize my, what do you call it? I have this craft supply thing that I bought from IKEA. It's enormous, and I have so many craft supplies that I'm gonna go ahead and try to organize that as well. So there we go. That is this week's video. I hope you enjoyed the journey from cluster schmuck of a linen closet to beautifully organized, separate 2 linen closet spaces. I'm super happy with that. The shelving in the bathroom, I forgot to tell you, is IKEA. And all the storage bins are either Dollarama or Dollar Tree, and the little plants are also IKEA. And so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. Comment down below if you approve of the new decoration, not the decoration, the organization schema. So have a great day, and I will see you next Tuesday.